Nexus is an audiovisual interface built inside TouchDesigner. Its components can be used individually or combined together as a complete audio and visual engine for creating and controlling live audiovisual performances. The open file is the Nexus AV.to file, which contains all components in one project. In the downloaded folder, you can also find the individual .tox files, example patches, a custom patch from one of Tenderworld's tutorials, the user guide PDF, and all related files. In this video, I'll give you an overview of the Nexus components. You can find more detailed videos for each component on the channel. This is the VJ tool. You can feed it your own sources, such as images, patches, or other visual inputs, and use the sequencer to perform them in real time. It includes controls, effects, transitions, and more tools for live performance. In this example, you can see the VJ's signal input connected to the audio generator. The audio generator gives you a modular synth environment where you can create sounds and control them live. The other two components are visual generators. The pattern generator allows you to create reactive patterns, adjust parameters, and control visuals for your show. And this one is the text generator. Open the text table, type whatever you want, adjust effects and transitions, and control animated text live during your performance. Please share your feedback in the Discord server. I've created a dedicated channel for Nexus where you can discuss, report issues, and share your ideas.